Hello and welcome to our channel again. Today we have another Toyota Estima 2017 with the P311 hybrid transmission. So we are going to replace the hybrid transmission fluid or oil. So this is the vehicle, Estima Toyota Hybrid Synergy Drive E4. So we are going to replace the transmission fluid with this transmission fluid. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 liter of them. So we are going to carry out this task. So replacing the transmission fluid on this Toyota Estima 2017 with P311 transmission with I think 2AZ-FXE engine. So let me see what engine it has. Okay, it has 2AZ-FXE engine. Okay, as you can see, this is the transmission P311, and this is the drain plug of the transmission, and this is the oil filler plug, this one. Okay, this is the transmission P311. So this is the oil drain plug, and this is the oil filler plug, this one. So first we are going to remove this one, then drain the oil from here. Do not touch this one. This is not the oil drain plug or port. So this is the oil drain plug. And this one is the oil filler plug. Okay, now I'm going to hold this tray underneath of the oil filler, and then I'm going to slacken that one. As you can hear, easing the pressure. Okay, now I'm going to slacking and remove the drain plug. I'm going to wait until the oil has drained properly. Okay, new washer, and now I'm going to put the oil drain plug back on. Okay, tightening torque specification is 30 Newton meter. Okay, now I'm going to measure this fluid in case this is more than 5 liters, because I have only got 5 liters. In case I have drained more than 5 liters, so I'm going to get an extra liter to put in. But the oil condition is a bit dark, so I'm going to measure that. Let's see how many liters of fluid I have drained out from the transmission. Okay, as you can see, I have properly, or have approximately drained out 3.5 liters of transmission fluid from the gearbox. It's approximately 3.5 liters. This transmission is refilled in the same way as manual transmission. So it's not the CVT transmission that you check the oil level with a certain temperature. So this is refilled in the same manner as manual transmission. So you fill the transmission up to the overflow port until the oil emerges from the oil filler port or overflow port. Then you put the oil filler cap or plug back and tighten to the manufacturer specification, which is 30 Newton meter. So you do not need to check the oil level of this transmission at a certain temperature, which the CVT transmission can be checked. So if you want to watch the CVT transmission oil replacement on Toyota Estima, click on the link given below in the description box. Okay, now I'm going to refill the transmission with the new oil. Okay, as you can see, oil has started to emerge from the overflow port. So in total I have put approximately 4 liters of oil into the transmission. So yours might be different little bit because the spillage of the oil might be different as well. So I'm going to wait until the oil dripping is stopped. Then I'm going to put the overflow or refilling plug on and tighten with 30 Newton meter of torque. Okay, this one is also with new washer. Now it's going to be all right, because if we put if we overfill the transmission, it's going to cause leakage from the drive shaft seal, and if we put less oil, lower than the requirement amount, and it's going to cause the transmission to operate with the overheating temperature, and that's going to cause the problem. So more than the requiring amount is going to leak from the drive shaft seal, and less than the requiring amount is going to operate the transmission overheating, and that's going to cause the problem. So now I'm going to wait a little bit more. Okay, as you can see, oil is no longer emerging from the overflow port. So I'm going to put the plug in. $30 Newton meter. That's it. Okay, that was the transmission fluid replacement procedure which we have carried out on Toyota Estima 2017 with P311 transmission and 2AZ-FXE engine.